I'm finally finished blow drying my hair, and now here's for the review. This is just blow dried, no flat iron or anything. Um, and like I said, I have a lot of hair. It's a whole lot of hair up in here. But so here it is. That's what it looks like just with the blow dryer. Gets bigger and bigger and bigger. There it is. And see, I don't think it really looks that greasy with the stuff anyway, and it's quick. But I really need to clip like bad. Here's the back. So that's it. Nothing special. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with it today. I like hardly ever wear my hair down. Uh, at all. It's like so rare that whenever someone sees me, they're like, "Oh my goodness, you wore your hair down. I didn't know you had that much hair." It's because I like to hide it, wrap it up, put it in a bun, put it in a ponytail, slick it back. But it moves. It's a little stiff. Yeah. Anywho, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with this stuff today. I just have a hard time. When I was younger, I used to always think like, "Oh, I hate my hair. Blah 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 blah. It's so thick. It's so this. It's so that. Blah 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 blah." But honestly, I have grown to love my hair because you can do so many things with it. So now I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do with it today. Yay! Anywho, that's how my hair looks like blow dried with my Conair Infiniti hair dryer, which, like I said, is awesome. You want to spend the money, do the high setting is actually gets, I think it gets pretty hot, but I like it because I do straighten my hair and it just helps with the straightening process. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.